I wonder why people wait to have lots of money, huge amounts of capital before starting a business, where there are businesses that you can start with no investment, no capital. Okay, what you just need is your time. There are higher profit making businesses that you can start with no investment. Most of them, I have ventured into them, and this is something that I am speaking to you, I am telling you from experience that you can make high profits from these businesses if you know how to cut your onions in the business without investing a dime. Now, that is what I will be spilling in this video. I'll be telling you how to make profits, high profits, not just profits, high profits from these businesses without investments. Now, if this sounds like something that interests you, please watch this video to the end, because before the end of this video, I'll be telling you about a strategy that works perfectly if you have no time, if you are busy, but you want to make profit, you want to make money. I'll be telling you this strategy that will help you to make more money and make it faster. Now, let's dive into the business of today. Number one on my list is selling of digital products. Now, this selling of digital products can never be overemphasized. You can create ebooks, design templates, and sell them on different platforms. We have seller.com, we have eBay, we have so many of the ST. You can sell them there. Okay. Now, the good thing about digital products is that you just have to create them once. You put in the time. Okay, you create them once. This is a knowledge that you already know, something that you are good in. You put them down, okay, and then sell them online as an ebook or whatsoever, depending on your niche. You understand? So this is just a one-time sacrifice. And once you be able to do these digital products, you can sell them as often as you just continue selling them repeatedly. Okay. You don't need to, except you maybe want to make an update. That is when you start putting in something new. But you just do only once, you do the work just once, and then you sleep and your money starts entering for you. Okay. Now, depending on how you market your products, you make more profit from it. Number two on my list is consulting. You can become a consultant. Are you an expert in a particular field? Is this something that you are very good in, something you have gained experience over the years? And instead of you to just lie down there and forget about it, or you are broke, where you are broke, where you have an expertise, you have something that you are an expert in. No, you have to market yourself out there as a consultant so that people will come looking for your experience. They want to learn, they want to tap from the knowledge that you have, the experience that you have gotten over the years, and you charge them. You don't even need to do anything. What you need is just your time. You can now, the good thing about this is you can charge as high as you want because it is your time. So you place value for your time. Number three on my list is tutoring. You can do this online without getting a space, because remember, we are not investing a dime in this business. Okay, it is just we're just dealing with what we have, using what we have to make more profits. Okay, so you can start this with your social media handles, and there are so many websites that also offer this service. You can go register as a tutor online, and then when students come in, they look for tutors. You charge based on your time. That is the good thing about these businesses that I'm bringing. You charge based on your time. They say time is money, and this is where it works. This is something that I have been doing for years, and I will tell you that it is a very high profit business because you are the one to place value for your time, like I said. Okay, so anybody that doesn't want it or that cannot meet up with what you want can leave. Okay, now the few ones or the more you get students, the more you get clients, you get more money from it. You just need your smartphone or your laptop and then an internet connection. That is what you need with your time. Finish. The next on my list is social media manager. You can become a social media manager. You manage other people's social media platform. There are so many people that are busy. There are so many people that don't have time to always reply to messages, to always interact with their audience. You can apply on Fiverr, on Upwork. There are so many sites that you can use, so many apps that you can use. Apply there, set up your profile. Make sure that you are good with setting up your profile. Okay, you set up your profile in such a way that when they see the contents, they will not be able to resist your offer. Okay, or they will not be able to resist you, and they will want you. So no matter the price that you place for your time, okay, they are going to pay for it. Now, the good thing about this is you can do this from the comfort of your home. You don't need to answer, you don't need to be present at work. Okay, you do this from the comfort of your home with just your smartphone, your internet connection, and you start cashing out real big. The next on my list is content creation. Should I call it the Oga Patakata of them or no? I won't call it the Oga Patakata of them all, but okay. Now, content creation is now the real deal in town. So if you are sleeping, please, and you want to make money, just start creating content. Just start creating content. You can make yourself the content. Anything can be the content. Okay. Make sure it is adding value to someone's life, either an educational content or an entertainment content. These are the two contents I will advise you to go into. It's either you're educating or you are entertaining. Okay, so just make your research. What can you offer to the public that is educational? What can you educate the public, and what can you use to entertain the public? Okay. Some people entertain and educate at the same time. So depending on the one you are good at, you can start it, and you can just start with your social media handles. You can use the blue app, Facebook. You can use black app, TikTok. You can even use YouTube. You can use Twitter, and so many of them. Okay, don't just waste your time and your data going through the internet without making money from it. No, that is not how we do it here. Okay, if you are interested in finding a perfect niche, a niche that will blow up your social media presence in no time, a niche that will make you go viral in no time. If you are interested in it, you are sure that you want to do this content creation and you're interested in it, just type content creation in the comment section. The last on my list, the last on my list is YouTube channel, starting up a YouTube channel. Now, I'll call this the all in one, because all these business ideas that I have mentioned, you can you can put all of them into a YouTube channel, starting up a YouTube channel. Now, if you want to do social media management, you want to do you're an expert in a particular, maybe a social media growth, you want to coach people, you want to give people your knowledge. These all these things can be done in a YouTube channel. So do you see why I say that this is the one that, if you can be able to grow your YouTube family, your YouTube community, and you give good content there, you find out that you are going to make lots and lots of money, even when sleeping. Because when your video goes viral, once you are a partner with YouTube and your video goes viral, you can be sleeping and your money will be entering. Once it's time, you cash out. It's as simple as that. Okay, so please try to go through this video, save this video for later, share this video to your friends and families that will need this video. Okay, so that we are all going to partake in this money. Okay, these are strategies, these are businesses that I have done over the years, and they have yielded good results. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. And to my new subscribers, please do well to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our subsequent videos. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.